Let's go to the orange. Now, this is the one that I have tried before. I was at a balloon jam in Michigan and met some great people, some great twisters, had a lot of fun, even had some people come up from Canada or come down from Canada to Michigan. And someone let me have one to try because I've never even heard of this brand at that point. And she was quietly sitting in the corner organizing her balloons, and she was listening to everything going on. And this is the color that made me decide to go for all this because the vibrancy and the feel was, well, for me it was something I noticed already. So let's see how this works. Now I will know this that one of my first comments I made, I think it was with the white balloon, was that the nozzle, the lip of the balloon, was a little weaker than I liked. So far, the ones that I have tried since then, they've all been really good. And this one has a nice fat lip, easy to hold on to with your own lips. But yeah, look at that. That's a nice orange. Let's compare it to the Qualitex orange. Okay. Don't know if you're going to be able to tell the difference. The bottom one is the Decolex or DECOMEX, sorry. The top one is the Qualitex. There's definitely a little bit difference in the hue. I think it's going to come down to personal preference. They're both about the same opacity. I would say the DECOMEX is probably a little bit darker, especially when you're putting it up to a light. Yeah, to give you an idea, I have a ring light over here that's a whole bunch of LEDs. It's different than the normal ring light. It's actually used with a magnifier so that you can paint miniatures and other details. But with the Qualitex, I can actually see the individual bulbs, which is nice. Like in the black one that we did, I actually commented that was something that I actually really liked. That it blocked out so much of the other light that I could actually see the individuals. I will say with the Decomex, I've not seen any of the individual lights. Actually, I'm not seeing the lights at all. It's that much more opaque. Which, again, I'm really curious to see with a little bit of oxidation, little time, especially outdoors, how they would handle. Unfortunately, we just got 7 inches of snow, so me going outside and putting them underneath the sun for a little bit is not gonna happen. Yeah, it's cold outside. Okay, so orange, I like that. Let's put this over here.